Hi guys, this is a super simple recipe for cranberry pulled pork, and I make it in the slow cooker. It's perfect for holidays, for feeding a bunch of people. So you'll need 2 cans of whole berry cranberry sauce, 1 jar of chili sauce, some orange juice, a sprig of rosemary, and I use plenty of crushed garlic. All you need to do is mix those ingredients thoroughly in a bowl until it's nice and saucy, and then you pour that pretty evenly over what I had is a 7-pound pork butt in the slow cooker. A pork butt is actually a shoulder from a pig, and they also go by the name of pork shoulder, or you can find them sometimes under the name of picnic roast. So yeah, mix that up really good and then pour it as evenly as possible. It really doesn't matter, it's just going to be cooking in the slow cooker for a while anyways. But over the pork, and then we're going to season that with salt and pepper. Stir that all up as best you can, and then we're going to cover it and set the timer on high for 6 hours. But after like 3 hours time, we're going to uncover it and spoon some of the cooking liquid over the pork butt. Now, it wasn't until later that I decided to use the garlic, and like I said, I used lots and lots of garlic, so it was a good decision. If you don't like garlic as much, you don't have to add as much as I did, but if you do like garlic, just go ahead and add it because it's going to mellow and just turn lovely and not at all overpowering. So cover this cooker and turn it on to high for 6 hours. Halfway through the cooking, remove the lid and then spoon some of that yummy cooking liquid over the pork. Return the lid and continue cooking for another 3 hours. Once it's done, carefully remove the pork to a platter, shred it up with some forks, spoon a little bit extra cooking liquid over the meat, and then you can pile it high on sandwich buns. Top each sandwich with a little bit of cranberry sauce, and it's time to eat. Get the full recipe at KudosKitchen by Renee.com.